We successfully supply our products to the CIS countries. I have been working at the company as chief engineer for 10 years. 4 months ago, the company management decided to expand the sales market and supply its products to Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. In order to enter the Baltic market, our company planned to increase the production of tablets for the treatment of infectious and inflammatory diseases. According to the production technology, the tablets should be further packed in a blister, which preserves the tablets from the powder from the environment. This task required the purchase of new, state-of-the-art equipment with a capacity of 100,000 tablets per hour and a tablet diameter of 16 millimeters. I was entrusted with the selection of the automatic equipment for the pressing of tablets. I chose by location, delivery time, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen tablet press, and would send me to search again. I then looked for equipment from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 5 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 5 months did not satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our people speak Chinese. I didn't want to spend time and money on an interpreter, so it was decided not to buy a car from a Chinese manufacturer. I realized that I could not solve the problem of buying a pellet press on my own, so I decided to turn to a specialist intermediary. I had an idea of what kind of machine I needed, so I only paid attention to the reliability of the company. I chose several intermediaries on the internet, 1 from China, and 2 managers from Russia. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites, the length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount for the machine was much more than presented on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I studied the Russian company's website more closely. I looked at the prices and the terms of delivery, but I was alerted to the fact that this company also supplies shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist, in whom I would be confident, who would deliver me a tablet press within the specified time. I decided to look at the last option among Russian intermediary. In advance, I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website, modern, structured, lots of videos. I called the manager and got a good consultation on possible options for tablet presses. During the consulting stage, a company specialist suggested a tablet press with a capacity of 180,000 tablets per hour. The specialist told me about the options of the tablet press, sent me a video clip by email, and an operating manual, where I was able to study everything calmly. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. I was satisfied with the delivery terms and price, and a week later, we made a contract for the delivery of the tablet press. Before sending the equipment, the manager emailed me a video of the machine. The equipment is made of thick stainless steel, and the working area is covered with transparent plastic shields. The machine arrived in 2 months, and we quickly set up and started manufacturing tablets for the treatment of infectious and inflammatory diseases. After a detailed study of the equipment data sheet, I learned that this was not the limit of the press's capacity. We can use it if we want to increase the production of pills. We were satisfied with the recommended and supplied tablet press. I would like to mention that I told the manager about my problem and desired delivery time. He advised me of a good adjuster and repairer with whom we are already working and are happy with the results. Qualified advice is essential in choosing any purchase. The project is sure to be successful if that advice was received from a professional.